Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
List the ingredients and tools before you start. Use 1/2 Oz each of vodka, tequila, light rum, gin, and triple sec to build the core spirit profile. Add 1 Oz fresh lemon juice and 1 Oz simple syrup for balance, not more than those amounts. Reserve a splash of cola for color and a thin lemon wheel for garnish. You will need a shaker, jigger, long glass, and bar spoon to measure, mix, and serve precisely. Start by filling a shaker halfway with ice and adding the spirits and citrus. Combine spirits, lemon juice, and simple syrup in a shaker with ice so all components chill evenly. Shake hard for about 10 seconds to dilute by roughly 25 to 30% and to marry the flavors. Strain the mixture into a tall Collins or highball glass over fresh ice and top with a 1/2 to 1 Oz splash of cola for color and slight bitterness. Finish by garnishing and serving with attention to strength and safety. Garnish with a lemon wheel and a sprig of mint for aroma and contrast, and serve immediately in a long glass with a straw to sip slowly. Expect a strong drink. The recipe contains multiple 1/2 Oz spirits and can reach roughly the alcohol equivalent of 2 standard drinks. Limit to 1 cocktail per person per hour to monitor alcohol intake and never drink and drive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.